In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Activecampaign. Starting off, the first thing you need to do is to log into Activecampaign. It's a simple process that begins with navigating to the website. Just type Activecampaign into your search bar or head directly to their main page. Once there, you'll see a login option. Click on that to proceed. The login page is straightforward. You'll be asked to enter your username. It's crucial to enter the username associated with your Activecampaign account accurately. Mistyping it may prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you've entered your username, go ahead and click the login button. This action will move you to the next step, which involves entering your email. Make sure the email you enter here is the one you used to register your Activecampaign account. It's an extra layer of verification to ensure that your account is secure and accessible only to you. After typing in your email, the next field will ask for your password. This is a critical step as your password is the key to your account. Take your time to enter it correctly. After inputting your password, hit the login button to gain access to your Activecampaign dashboard. This main screen is where the magic happens. From here you have a broad view of all the features and tools that Activecampaign offers. The next step involves navigating to the website section of Activecampaign. Look for the website option. Clicking on this will take you closer to creating your form. Now with the website section open, you'll see an option to create a new form. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy for you to find. Click on Create a New Form to start building your form from scratch. Upon selecting to create a form, you'll be prompted to give your form a name. This name should be something descriptive and easily identifiable. It helps to reference this form later, especially if you create multiple forms. After naming your form, you will need to connect it to a specific list. This means selecting which of your contact lists will receive the data collected by this form. There's an option that says select a list. Click here to view your available lists. For our example, we'll choose sample list, but you should select whatever list is appropriate for your needs. Finally, the moment we've been building up to creating your form. After selecting your list, look for the Create Form button. Clicking this will solidify all your choices and actually create the form within Activecampaign, and just like that you've successfully created a form in Activecampaign. But before we wrap up, I want to share a couple of tips to help you maximize the potential of your newly created form. First, remember that customization is key. Activecampaign offers a range of tools and options for customizing your form, so take the time to explore these and make your form as engaging and effective as possible. Second, consider your form's placement carefully. Whether it's embedded on your website or linked directly from an email campaign, make sure it's easily accessible to increase your chances of collecting valuable contact information. To summarize, creating a form on Activecampaign involves logging into your account, navigating to the website section, choosing to create a new form, naming your form, selecting a list for it to feed into, and finally creating the form. It's a straightforward process, but each step is important to ensure your form works exactly how you need it to. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of Activecampaign and your digital marketing efforts. Happy form creating!